Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5945 Coker Avenue here in Port St. John, Florida. And folks, I am taking you on an amazing tour of this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, open concept, nice flooring all the way through that matches. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? Don't see that much often anymore, do we? So this home has a 2024 roof. It has brand new kitchen appliances, freshly painted. While we're here, let's jump over to your guest side of the home or your children's side, depending on how you're looking at it. We've got a tub with a shower enclosure in here. And then we've got 2 bedrooms on this side. There's our front door, just so you can keep a good bearing on everything. Here's your formal dining room area. You do have a little kitchen nook over on the other side. Nice size living room area. And I do have all kinds of goodies up on the counter today because I'm in the middle of an open house. So check out these brand new appliances. Aren't they super nice? Got the dishwasher, stove, microwave, and refrigerator. Take a quick step back so you can see we've got a nice double door pantry here. We do have inside laundry, so you got your washer and your dryer. Nice looking AC over there. We do have a countertop, got some stuff to hang. So nice having a little extra space in that laundry room. Then we do have the garage out here. You have all of your hurricane shutters there. So nice size 2-car garage. And back through the kitchen, keep our bearings straight. Your front door is over on that side. Got our little nook here. I'm gonna cruise on into the primary bedroom. So nice size primary bedroom. Nice split plan, not over there near those kids. So you've got one closet here, and then you have a second closet, which is a walk-in on this side. We do have double sinks, double vanity area, which is nice. You got this huge tub. Look how big this tub is. That is amazing. And you do have your shower here. So I've got a separate tub and shower, walk-in closet, nice size primary bedroom. Got your fans going, which is making the lights flicker a little as the fan breezes by. Nice big front window there, which would be perfect at Christmas time. Good place for that Christmas tree. And then check out this patio. Huge patio area. Lots of space. And then lots of space in that yard. We have a big backyard here, folks. Nice size. And it's fenced all the way around except for a little section on that side of the house. So other than that, you're completely fenced in. Again, folks, we're at 5945 Coker Avenue here in Port St. John, Florida. I would love to show you this house in person. Just give me a call or shoot me a text, and I would love to get that set up for you. My number again, 321-480-7662, and I really look forward to hearing from you so I can show you this gorgeous home. Thanks so much, and you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.